Here I've got General Mobile GM8 Go, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer, go to keypad, and let's start with the first code, which is *pound, *pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And now we are in Google Play Services, where you can check events, status, and if you will click on the more icon, you will be able to activate advanced view, so you can come along with truly advanced information now. So let's go back, and it's time for the second code, which is *pound, *pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And now we've got calendar info here, so if you will have any events or celebrations included in your Google Calendar, then you will be able to check them all in one place. So then you will not forget about any important event. Let me go back, and then let's enter *pound, *pound, 4636, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And now we are in testing mode performed by Google, where we can check phone information. And you will find here email number, phone number, if you will have your SIM card included, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service. You will be able to run ping test here as well. And here you've got the solution, and come along with plenty of other useful information. Then you can check user statistics, where you can find detailed info about last time and time of usage of your applications. So let's go back, and thirdly you've got here Wi-Fi information. Simply click on it, and here you can come along with Wi-Fi APA, where you can check disable network, disconnect network, enable network, configured networks, and also connection info. Then Wi-Fi configuration, where you will find all configured networks, and then Wi-Fi status. Just refresh it, and here you can check the status of your Wi-Fi, and also you can run a ping test here. And as you can see, it passed. That would be all for this code. And the last very useful one is *pound, 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both email numbers dedicated to your SIM cards. Click on OK to go back. And actually, that would be all. These are all secret codes for your General Mobile. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.